Hey everyone, real quick, I'm going to walk you through where the plug for the 2022 Toyota Sienna trailer hitch wiring is, because the instructions that came with my kit were terrible. So installing a Tekonsha 118824. Again, it is a 2022 Toyota Sienna. We have the 7-passenger, and the instructions say that you've got to remove the whole back panel here, and then remove this whole panel up here. But on the 7-passenger, right there is where the spare wheel is. So finally, after reading the instructions, not understanding, I decided to take the spare wheel out, and I'm going to show you right there is where the plug is. So it's that one right there. So I installed the wiring, grounded it, ran the cord. You don't have to take out this back panel in my opinion, because as you can see, I just ran the cord right down there. It gives it plenty of room to connect to any trailers. And so yeah, if I would have known that, it would probably save me half an hour, and I would have removed the spare tire first. Good luck.